Moving on, days after the Red Fort blast in Delhi, a powerful explosion ripped through the Nagaon police station in Srinagar late Friday night, killing at least 9 people and injuring around 32. Jammu and Kashmir DGP called it an accidental explosion, ruling out terror angles, saying that it occurred while police were handling the seized explosives which were recovered from Faridabad. As per the Ministry of Home Affairs, the recovered explosives were kept in an open area at the Nagaon police station, which accidentally exploded. Due to the large volume, the handling process had been ongoing for last 2 days. Officials emphasized that any speculation at this stage is unnecessary. Officials say the death toll may rise. Now, the CCTV footage captured the moment the blast blew apart parts of the building. Flames and thick smoke were visible from a distance. LG Manoj Sinha met with the blast victims at the hospital. A wreath-laying ceremony was also held in Srinagar.
India Today is getting you the exclusive pictures to show the devastation magnitude after the blast that happened in Nagaon. You see, this is the glass pieces. The whole area was devastated after this huge explosion at 11:20 p.m. Yesterday night. And we are closest to this whole region. The police has been blocking the ways. They have been sanitizing the area, cordoned off the area. And you see the houses, the residential buildings have also been damaged by this particular explosion. The magnitude was so big, the magnitude was so high that these buildings have lost their glasses. And this whole area has been closed for people. The families have been told to move to safer places. The evacuations are going on. We can still see the ambulances, and this is the building. If we can establish the building of the Nagaon police station, that is completely charred. It's visible from here, from where we are getting you these exclusive images. The devastation after this explosion, though the police and the MHA, they have said that this was an accidental explosion because so we are closer now to this building, which also got the impact of this explosion last night. So this is the complete damage, which you can see, these glass pieces out here. They are the relatives of the deceased of the Nagaon police station explosion, and they are trying to enter this area. The police has cordoned off this whole location. There are barricades that have been put. Nobody is being allowed for security reasons to enter as the investigation is still going on. But these women, they are trying to go inside. They are speaking to these policemen, the Jammu Kashmir police who's investigating this whole area and this whole explosion, the reasons for the explosion. They're trying to convince them. This is certainly a difficult moment for the families. 9 people, including the police officials, the camera persons, they've lost their lives in this explosion last night. And here, the government, the MHA, has been saying that this has been an accidental explosion. The investigation is going on as this whole area was laden with the explosives that were recovered in Faridabad. This is a sensitive zone where the police cannot allow anybody since the investigation is going on, and there has to be a proper sanitization of the whole area until the road is open. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Sanjay for India Today from Srinagar's Nagaon.
बरामद रासायनिक विस्फोटों के नमूने को आगे फॉरेंसिक और रासायनिक परीक्षण के लिए भेजा जा रहा था। भारी मात्रा में विस्फोटों की बरामदी के कारण पिछले 2 दिनों में यह प्रक्रिया एसओपी के तहत लगातार जारी थी। विस्फोटों की अस्थिर प्रकृति के कारण इसे एक्सपर्ट निगरानी के तहत सावधानी पूर्वक संभाला जा रहा था। हालांकि उसी के दौरान 14 नवंबर 2025 यानी कि कल रात को लगभग 11:20 बजे अचानक एक्सीडेंटल विस्फोट हुआ। इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना में 9 लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई और 27 पुलिसकर्मी, 2 राजस्व अधिकारी और 3 नागरिक घायल हुए।